This video will cover how to use and set up the seating chart. To access the chart, tap on the seating icon to the left of the class name. Initially, all the students will be on top of each other. You can simply tap and drag a student and set up your arrangement that way. But a better way is to actually design a template. And to do that, tap on the action bar overflow menu, select seating templates. Here you can choose between two different templates if you have two different setups for your class. To set up the arrangement initially, select the refresh icon at the top. And here you'll select how many seats per row you have. I'll choose 5. And the total seats in the class. I'll choose 20. Even if you don't have a good format, still go ahead and do it this way. The seats will appear, and now you can actually drag the seats to anywhere you want. If you have a phone-sized device, you have extra screen space on the right. Simply tap an empty space and drag the screen. And you can see you have an extra half width of a screen there if you have a wide seating chart or have more seats you need to put in. I'm going to leave it as this setup. So then go back to the seating chart by tapping the back arrow. And to show the seating chart, you want to go to the overflow menu again, select settings, and here you can see you can make one of them visible. I'll make show template 1 visible, and now you can see the seats there. Now, to arrange students, you can simply hit the refresh icon on the top and select by random order, and it'll go ahead and seat the students by random order. If you want to seat it yourself, simply drag a student over a template seat and make sure the top left corner is over a seat, and when you release, the student will move directly on top of that seat. So you don't have to position it too perfectly. Just make sure, again, it's the top left corner that seats the student there. Or again, I'll do the refresh icon by random order, and there your student's seated. Now, in terms of using the seating chart, at the top there are 4 options. The circle with the line through is meaning you just have a seating chart, no assignments or attendance. You just want to see where students are sitting. The check mark is for attendance. You can see the attendance date is listed as Friday, September 2nd. So you can tap any student and go ahead and change their attendance very easily. You can also go ahead and select the attendance date and change the date if you need to. The next icon over is the assignments. And again, you can tap the assignment to select a different assignment and tap any student and you'll be able to edit the assignment grades. And lastly, the last icon is for notes. And you can tap any student. It'll take you to their notes page on their progress report, and you can go ahead and add a note from the screen. So that makes it very easy to monitor your class that way. And lastly, you do have the random student icon, which is the dice, and if you tap that, Serena, a random student will be called, just like it does on the main page. All right. You can also print a PDF out of the class. And so that makes it very easy to organize your classes and use the seating chart. Any questions, please feel free to email me anytime, and I hope you like the updates to the chart. Oh, and a reminder, you can also scroll to the right on the phone-sized devices here too. Enjoy!